Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel IT Lab Genius. In today's session, we are taking a chapter 3 of recently launched Excel 2022 course, focusing on Exp22 Excel chapter 3 ML2 grades. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. Here is project description. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes or complete course. You can see here to project description to get idea about your project description. Now moving on step number 1. Step number 1 is about Excel workbook. Step number 1 is about Excel workbook. You can download your Excel worksheet from your IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded Excel worksheet from IT Lab dashboard. You can see here. Now moving on step number 2. Step number 2 is that use the insert tab to create a pie chart from the final grade distribution data located below the student data in the range F20, F35 to G39 and move the pie chart to its own sheet name distribution. Basically in this step we will have to create a pie chart using this data range. Go to Excel workbook. First we will select range, insert, go to the recommended chart, create a pie chart and move into sheet distribution on name, move chart, new sheet distribution. It will be moved. Second step is completed. Now moving on step number 3. Step number 3 is that apply the style 12 chart style tab ACC 200 final grades for 2024 for the chart title. Explore the A grade slide 7%, change the F grade slide dark red, remove the legend. Okay, first we will go to Excel file and apply the 12 chart style. Here is 7, 8. Here is 12 chart style. Now we will change the title of this chart. Go to the chart title, click on here. Okay. Okay. Now explore the A grade slide of 7%. Go to the Excel workbook. Here is A grade slides. Double click on A grade slides and it explode into 7%. Okay, it will be explored. Now change the F grade slide to the dark red. Okay, and basically in this step we will change the F grade slide to dark red. Go to the Excel file. Here is F grade file slides. Double click on this and go to the dark fill color. Here is dark red color. Sorry, here is red color. Here is dark red color. Okay. Remove the legend. Basically we will remove the legend on this chart. Here is we remove the legend. I have done 3 steps of this assignment. Now I am moving on step number 4. Step number 4 is that all text most students on B and C grades including the period. We will have to add all text on this chart. First we select this all text. Now go to Excel workbook, click on right click on chart. Here is all text. Click on this box and tap. Okay, all text will be added. I have done 4 steps of this assignment. Now I am moving on step number 5. Step number 5 is that add data label in the inside end position. Select data label option to display percentage and categories name. Remove the values data labels. Okay, basically we will add a data label in inside end position and then we will select data label option to display percentage and categories name and we will remove the value data labels. Okay, add data label inside end position. Go to the data label inside end position and go to the more option. We will and select data label option, display percentage and categories name, remove the value. Okay, categories name and percentage and remove the value. Okay, Five step is completed now. Now moving on step number 6. Step number 6 is that apply 18 pt font size, apply black text font color to the data label. First, basically in this step apply we will increase pt font size color to 18, and then we will apply black text font color. Go to Excel workbook, click on data label, we will increase 14 pt font size, then we will apply text font black color. I have done 6 steps of this assignment. Now I am moving on step number 7. Now moving on step number 7. Step number 7 is that grades worksheet. In grade worksheet, move the bar chart to own sheet name. Sample. And step number 7 is that create a cluster bar chart using the range A5 to AD and A18 to D23 in the grades worksheet. Move the bar chart to own sheet name sample score. Basically in this step we will create a cluster bar chart using the range A5 to D5. First we will select these ranges, then we will create a cluster column chart. Go to the grades worksheet. First we will select first this range, and then we will select second range A18 to D23. Click on control A18 to D23. First we select this range and click on control A18 to D23. Okay, A18 to D23. Then we will create a cluster bar chart. Go to the insert tab, create on recommended chart, cluster column, cluster stack column, cluster bar chart. Here is cluster bar chart. Then move the bar chart to the own sheet name sample score. Okay, we will move the chart to own sheet, move chart, create new sheet. It's okay. Chart will be moved. Okay. Now moving on step number 8. Step number 8 is that style 5 chart style, legend on the right side in the 11 pt font size, let gradient as accent 2 fill color to the plot area. First we will select style 5. Here is 5 style 5 style. First style of chart, legend on the right side in the 11 pt font color. Here is legend. Right side. Okay, and 11 pt font size. 11 pt font size. Light gradient accent 2 fill color to the plot area. Go to the Excel workbook, click on plot area, format plot area, fill color, gradient fill, light gradient accent 2. Light gradient accent 2 fill color to the plot area. I have done 8 steps of this assignment. Now I am moving on step number 9. Step number 9 is that type sample student test score for chart title. Basically in this step we will change the chart title. Type sample student test score. Okay. Go to the chart title, click on here. It will be changed chart title. Now moving on step number 10. Step number 10 is that add data label in the outside end position for all data series. Format the final exam data series with blue gray text to fill color. Basically in this step we will add a data label in outside end position for all data series. Format the final exam data series with blue gray text to fill color. Add data label on the outside end position. Go to the Excel workbook. Go to the data label. Inside base, more of you. inside data outside and position for all data series. Side and inside base. Okay, and format the final exam data series blue gray. You can see here. Total step of this assignment is 20. I have done 10 step of the assignment. For remaining steps or you want to deal for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. I will be available 24 hours for you. Please watching my video and subscribe my channel, like my video. Thank you so much.